हेलो मेरे YouTube दोस्तों, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल एक्टिव राइडर्स में। और मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट विमल। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग फाइन, सेफ एंड इन हाउस। और बैंगलोर में वैसे आप लोग जानते हो कि लॉकडाउन है। और आज सैटरडे है तो ऑलरेडी 3 दिन हो चुके हैं लॉकडाउन का। दिस इज द फोर्थ डे। तो आज क्या करें कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, तो मेरे पास में ये पैकेज ऑलरेडी आया हुआ था, सुपर सिरेमिक कोटिंग। ये मैंने परचेज किया था, नॉट you know paid review. I have purchased this one with this microfiber cloth और ये आज मैं लगाने जा रहा हूँ मेरे एंटॉक में। So without further ado, let's go down parking lot और शुरू करते हैं। So जैसे कि मैं अभी बेसमेंट में हूँ, मास्क थोड़ा कंपलसरी है, इसके लिए लगा के रखा है। बट here you can see इसको फटाफट में वॉश कर देता हूँ। वॉश करने के बाद में वापस चलते हैं और स्टार्ट करते हैं प्रोसीजर। So you get a user manual, a card, and a ceramic coating bottle. One bottle I have ordered it. Then again a really good microfiber cloth. This one, and then a sponge. So here is the manual. You can pause it, or I'll freeze the shot, and then you can go through the points. However, I'll be demoing all these points to you on my Ntorq. I have cleaned my Ntorq. I'm just waiting to get it dry, and once this is dry, we'll start the procedure. And if you want to know the overview, currently you can see the scratches, the deep scratches over here. It's almost, you can see scratches at this part. There are few scratches over here, so we'll try as much as possible to get rid of this. So I am about to start the procedure. The vehicle is completely dry. Do not bother about the place which are at the bottom side. However, we are not going to put over there or in the fiber part. It's only on the front paint part. Okay, so it's almost dry. You can see how much marks. You can see how much marks are there after cleaning also. And this cloth I have cut it into two parts. So we'll be using like this. Okay, we'll be using like this one part, and half of the part will be using this one, and half of the part will be using this one. We have to keep changing this one because dirt which accumulate or anything like that. So that's one thing. And we need to put at the beginning we need to put at least 6 or 7 drops. Okay, so shake well, and then once you start doing it, you first finish one part. So you apply and then you buff it off with the microfiber cloth. So that's how you have to do it. I'll start the procedure, and as I'll be doing it, you'll be able to see it. I do not want to make this video more prolonged. It's just that I'm showing it now how it is. You can see how the vehicle is looking right now. And once I finish the procedure, and after 48 hours this video will be continued again, and then I will show you how the vehicle is looking now. So it doesn't matter whether you are using on a matte or a glossy panel. If it is a glossy, it will give you more glossy finish. If it is a matte, still it will protect your paint kind of a thing. So I am okay with it. I am going to use it on both. It depends on you how you want to use it. But on the glossy part, let's start the You need to apply this one on a crisscross pattern. Please note that one. If the surface is very less or the surface area is pretty less, then you can apply upwards and downwards, but try to apply in a crisscross pattern. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the further notification. And if you like my content, do share this video and do like this video so that it will help me in growing my channel and my work. Please guys, I need your all support. And apart from that, I am also sharing you my Instagram ID and my Facebook ID. Whatever details I purchase or I do, I first upload in Instagram, and you may follow me over there so that you will get the content much more faster, and you will know what will be the next video on the channel. Please guys, need your support. So this is how it's looking after first coating. I've just done the first coating, and if you can see, there's not much reduction in the marks because it may take some time, but it's almost like covered it. So there's one more coating, and apart from that I have removed my grip. TVS, it did not serve me much purpose, so I just removed this one. I have put a lever grip from RCB, and so just completed few things, and so I'll be doing one more coating, and then I'll be leaving the bike like that only, and then again I'll start the video on Monday morning. Okay, so let's see, this video may come Monday evening. Let's see how this super ceramic coating performs on our Ntorq. Hello guys, it's Monday, and it's 3:30 3:30, and it's time to check our ceramic coating which we have done on my Ntorq. And let's see, I'll go to parking lot and again start this video. Let's see how the ceramic coating feels on our Ntorq and what are the changes we can see in that. So here, as you can see, the bike is already shining much brighter than before, and if you can see properly, even in the matte finish also you have a slightly shine kind of a thing, and in the glossy parts you can see it's quite shiny, and quite improved the shine bit in the bike. This is the overall. So let's do our water test. So got a can of water. So when I'm spraying as a water on the surface, you can see it's leaving the small bubble kind of a thing, and it's making its way to go through. So if you can see that one, it's making its way to go through, fall downwards, and not to be stick in the particular area kind of a thing. So this is working. I think when I let me see other kind of a spray which I can drop, or a kind of a spray. In this one I can adjust a little bit. So here you can see how the water is evacuating itself. When I put more and more, the water is evacuating itself, and it's making its way to go downwards. So surface has got that, the ceramic coating has made that surface very soft, and very much where all the droplets can go downwards and not to be stuck completely on one particular place. So this will help for a long run. this is what I feel. I think we need to have a more time for this one. So let me try putting in a different way, making it a little bit more on a force kind of a thing. So now you can see how the water doesn't stay. You can see this one in a slow motion. When I'm spraying forcefully, the water droplets are moving downwards. So there is some kind of coating. It shows in the other panel also, we'll see here. It shows there is some kind of coating. So for sure this coating works, but I need to check how long this coating stays. Uh, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Please, once again, I'm requesting to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I hope you all be safe and ride safe, be safe, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.